Yeah, I want to thank God for coming your way. Whenever you are watching this video, please do help me share, like, subscribe, and give your comment. It has a long way to go. Agbon Sebosale is my name, and I want to appreciate God for coming your way today. Quickly, I want to give you very brief tips about child upbringing. Now, we begin to wonder why children are misbehaving or why some of them are acting the way they're acting. Some parents begin to imagine that my child is not behaving like me. The kind of character this child is portraying is very different from mine. Now, I want to tell you one of the best way we can help to raise our children. Though God has a long role to play, but there are some guidelines we as parents will put a measure to make sure children doesn't go above a specific line or guidelines. All right, now I've come to understand in my little stay on earth, I've come to understand that children they don't do what you ask them to do, they do what they see you doing. Please listen to me carefully. Child of nowadays, they don't do what you ask them to do. Majority of them do what they see you doing, either as a mother, as a father, as an elderly man, whatever they see around their environment, around their vicinity, that is what they love to do. Now, you see a child who is committing at a tender age, committing uh, fornication, or as the case may be, most time is as a result of what they have watched in the movie or the kind of people they play with. What those ones have watched and they are not doing it, you see your children begin to copy it. Beloved, be careful of what your children are watching. How can a child of 8 years old be watching a movie with the father or with the mother or with the elder ones as it were, and this same movie they are watching, you see the adult in the movie, they are kissing. You see the adult in the movie, they are almost half naked. They see the adult in the movie, they are doing all sort of things. Child of God, listen to me. They will practice it one day. You as a mother or as a father, you are teaching your children how to lie. For example, someone came to look for you. Okay, you are telling your child, go and tell this person I am not around. Child of God, that act is a teaching to the child. Automatically, you are teaching that child how to begin self-character. Even the cartoons they watch, please, I am begging you. I am not saying it's a sin, but for the sake of our children, let us be careful of what they do. Imagine a Christian home. You are buying a magical thing for your child. Child of God, they will begin to practice it. They'll begin to admire it. I am telling you the truth. Imagine a child watching a Merlin, watching a reporter, watching some movie that has some magical items. You see the child want to become like one of them, and as he or she begin to think about it, someday, sometime, the child might be possessed with such demon. Please, I want to beg us today. I don't know wherever you are watching this video from. Please, I want to beg you. Let us be careful of what our children are watching. Now, we as an individual, as a parents, you think your child is 4 years old and you naked before the child, sleeping with the mother or whatever thing you are doing before the child because you think the child is 4 years old? Beloved, listen to me. That child is watching you. He or she understand what you are doing because the era we are now, they learn very fast. Before you know what is happening, the child begin to practice it, either with his or younger one or with another person's children. I want to beg you. I want to beg you sincerely. Let us be careful of the things our children watch. You as a parent, the way you are behaving is what your children will become. Now, let me be sincere to you.